Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing our favorite cases from our favorite brand. I handpicked each and one of these and the company was nice enough to send them out. So thank you, Bodyguardz. So yeah, these are compatible with basically iPhone 6, 7, 8, and then the new SE. So we're going to go ahead and test them out. Start off with this one right here. This is the Harmony. It has a 10-foot drop rating. Has shake and protected material, metallic mesh guard, and has the unequal impact material, which is basically Kevlar. As you can see, it's made of Kevlar fiber. So I love this type of material. It's the same material inside of football helmets. So here's the case. I ordered like a black ombre type, and it looks really nice. You have some silver accent buttons on the side to differentiate, which is really nice. And then you also have that inside Kevlar, which obviously looks amazing. The somewhat flexible case. On the bottom you have a steel mesh. So we have our iPhone here. Let's go ahead and put it in. Fits perfectly. You can press all the buttons. You also have a Bodyguardz branding right here. So this case looks really amazing. If you have the newer iPhone SE 2020, it'll look really good, but it still looks really good with this phone. You have a perfect camera cutout, so it works perfectly. And these steel mesh guards protect it from dust, and it also amplifies the sound. Okay, so yeah, that's the first case. I really like it. It's made of a silicone, has really good drop rating. 10 foot. You have raised edges, so you got screen protection. Really nice. And even if you want, you can get this one right here, which we're gonna unbox right now. I love this. This is the Prtx synthetic glass, which is built to basically never shatter. As you can see, engineered not to break. It says it feels like glass. You have a lifetime replacement. This retails for about 40 bucks. I think it's really worth it though. So here it is, the installation guide. So as you can see, you have installation instructions. It says it's qualifies for free lifetime replacements. You have a squeegee. You have the alignment tool. A nice sticker, microfiber cloth, and alcohol prep pad in here. Let's go ahead and open this. So as you see, it comes with a nice Bodyguardz sticker, alcohol prep pad, and a microfiber cloth to clean the screen. So item is the synthetic glass. So this one is really good. I love synthetic glass, and it's impact and scratch protected, perfect touch sensitivity. It has water and smudge resistance. It's case friendly, edge to edge protection, and yeah, it's engineered not to break. So it's good for the iPhone 6, 7, 8, and SE 2020, which it fits perfectly on here. Yeah, it fits perfectly, and it's good that they have the black borders. So if you have the new ones, so all of them have black borders. This will be really helpful. So we're gonna go ahead and put this to the side right now. We're gonna install it probably in another video. I'm gonna show you how to install it. But other than that, Bodyguardz, go check them out, link in the description. I love their products. Last but not least, we're gonna get into the Slidevue. I love this case. This is meant for photographers, anyone that likes pop sockets. Basically, these are an alternative, and I actually prefer these over pop sockets because you can put them back into its place and it'll basically be flat. So this one has a 10-foot drop rating as well. It has the Kevlar unequal material. Has a flat, and you have a kickstand finger loop. I love this case a lot. I'm probably going to be using this one probably the most. Getting into the case. So I ordered the black one, and you have a really good size. This one's a little bit more sturdier than the other one. You have unequal protection in the inside, Kevlar material. I love that. Then right here, you go ahead and pull it like this until it locks in, and you have a nice sturdy fit. And then you also have a kickstand as well. So this thing, I love this thing because it's basically like a pop socket. It won't go anywhere. And it's good for also like video shoots. You put your finger in like this basically, and you can like shoot your phone around, and it's more stable. So it's good for photographers and stuff, which I really like. So it's flat. See that? Pop sockets don't do that. Getting the phone. Fits perfectly. You have Bodyguardz branding on top. Perfect camera cutout. Power button works. Volume button works. Just to reach the mute switch. You have a perfect cutout for the 3.5 jack, but basically it would be a speaker. And then you have another speaker here. Perfect cutout for the lightning port. You can still touch everything perfectly. And this one has a raised camera cutout as well, which is really nice. Screen protection as well. Really good protection right here. This will not fail you. So overall, these cases, I love Bodyguardz. Thank you once again for sending these cases out. It means a lot. So yeah, I'm going to be applying this in another video. I'm going to clean the screen. So yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did like it, then subscribe if you're new around here. These cases retail for somewhere around $40 each, and then the screen protector also around $40. So I recommend picking up probably both of them, like one each. They do have different colors for this, and they have different colors for this one as well. So if you want like a white one or a pink one or something, and they have different ombre colors as well. But they do look really nice. They have better protection than most cases out there right now. Bodyguardz, check them out. Link is in the description. I highly recommend all these products. I love them. They're high quality.